Hiya, I'm Sharelle Bailey. I currently work with children in supported accommodation while children's home. I'm going on to do supported accommodation, managing children, care leavers 16 to 18 currently.
Tell me about the week. Tell me about your experience with the training.
The week's been great. I didn't know what to expect. Being here is a community, everybody networking. I've learned a lot, I'd say. I've attended 2 crash courses, the HMO boot camp and also the deal selling. I think deal selling is where I want to get to. So like today we learned about compliance, what we need in order to set up a successful company, deal sourcing, getting your investors. So it's a lot of things that I didn't know and now I know.
What do you think Samuel is going to be really
I think it's great. From the minute I've seen it on, I think it was on Instagram. From the minute I heard them speak, I thought this is where I'm supposed to be. The mentors, the trainers, everybody, it's a community. So hopefully, I'm not an academy member yet, but that's where I'm going to be.
excellent, amazing news? Now let's talk about what made you want to get into property.
So as I said, I work with vulnerable children. So I've always had something about helping, wanting to help. I think what it was is as well, I've seen these online videos. I was intrigued. I started seeing about rent to rent. And then now I'm into it, I can see that there's a lot of other avenues that I'd like to do.
Fantastic. What's the next step?
Becoming rich, becoming successful. So hopefully whenever you see me again, I'm going to tell you I've got a few properties. Sometimes it's, as I said, it's networking and trying to be the best that I can be. Sorry, say that again. Just get into it. Don't think. If people are trying to put you off, just continue. Go with what feels right and trust in God.